In this video, we are going to understand what are different types of entropies. So the first one is, first you see this diagram here. Input symbol is X, then channel and output symbol is Y. Now, first entropy is related with the input, that is Hx. We have already seen what is entropy. It is the average information, or information is also called uncertainty. That was discussed in the first video of this chapter. So Hx, so the formula is summation I equal to 1 to m pxi log 2 of 1 by pxi. So this is the input. It contains different types of symbols. So in X is a set which contains different types of symbols like x1, x2, x3, x4. So average uncertainty or average information of channel input is pxi log 2 of 1 by pxi. Now h, you know that h formula is p into log of 1 by p. Summation p into log of 1 by p. So here input is x, input symbols are xi, so pxi log 2 of 1 by pxi. Now what does this mean? This is the average uncertainty of the channel input, or average information of the channel input, hy. Hy is this one. So there are n y symbols which are in set capital Y. So k equal to 1 to n. You can take j also, but my I and j writing is somewhat similar. That's why I have taken it k, so to avoid the confusion between I and j. So k equal to 1 to n p of yk log 2 of 1 by p of yk. This is average uncertainty of the channel output. Next, this is the conditional entropy. H x given y, summation I equal to 1 to m summation k equal to 1 to n p of xi comma yk, the joint probability log 2 of 1 by p of xi given yk. This is the conditional probability. So you have to how to remember this formula? So here this probability is a joint probability, and this is the, in the log there is conditional probability. Okay, so this is average uncertainty of the, this is the these words are same. Average uncertainty of the channel input, about the channel input remaining after channel output has been observed. Average uncertainty about channel input remaining after channel output has been observed. So how to understand this? So now I am teaching you this topic. That means I am X and I am teaching you this topic. So, and you are receiving, you are Y. But if you don't understand something in this video, then that is average, but I have explained it in a whatever is my capability. So but you don't understand it. So what is the, that is the uncertainty about my teaching, that already although you have heard this video, that means I taught you but you don't understand. That means there is a uncertainty in my teaching that you don't understand. That is the average uncertainty about channel input, that means my teaching remaining after channel output has been observed, remaining after I have transmitted, after I have taught everything. So that is hxy. I hope this example will help you to understand what is hxy. Now hy given x, the formula is summation I equal to 1 to m summation k equal to 1 to n. Then this one is similar. Only thing is that log 2 of 1 by p yk given xi. This is the conditional probability. This one yk divided yk given, don't say it divided by, yk given xi. So this is the, so here in both the examples this is joint probability, and this probability is x, if it is x by y, then xi give by y yk. If it is y by x, then it is yk by xi. Now this is average uncertainty about channel output given channel input is transmitted. इसको कैसे लेंगे अभी देखो. I have taught you this topic and you are saying that you understood everything, and if I ask you some question and I found that you don't understand it, although I have taught it, then uh, that is the average uncertainty in your understanding, although I have taught it in my way, as per my level. Okay, so in the first hx given y, in the first we can say that that is the average uncertainty about channel input remaining after channel output has been observed. Here the receiver will ask the question, or receiver, or you can ask the question that you don't understand it. Here you show that you understand everything, but if the question is asked, you are not going to give the answer. That means there is uncertainty, there is uncertainty that you don't understand some part of this lecture, uh, although I have taught it wholly. So that is hy given y by x. Now then hx by x comma y, that is joint entropy, summation I equal to 1 to m, summation k equal to 1 to n, pxi yk log 2 of 1 by pxi comma yk. So here both are same. In all the three there is joint probability, but in log there will be, if it is x by y, that is xi given yk, and if it is y by x, yk by xi, and here xi comma yk. Now that is the average uncertainty of the channel as a whole. So it is like I am teaching, you are learning, and third person is saying where is the problem, whether I have not taught well, or whether you have not learned it well. That is average uncertainty of the channel as a whole. So this is it for this video. Here we have understood different types of entropies and their formulas. So I tried to explain you these conditional entropies with one example, so that it will be easy for you to understand these conditional entropies. Once again, hx is uncertainty in input, hy is average uncertainty, or average uncertainty means information, average information of the channel output. Here average information of the channel input. hx given y is average uncertainty about the channel input remaining after channel output has been observed. That means you have still the receiver example we have taken it as I am teaching and you are learning, and if you have some question, that means you have uncertainty in my teaching. So that is average uncertainty about the channel input. Now hy given x means average uncertainty about the channel output. That means you say that you understood everything, but when the question is asked, you are not able to answer it. That means there is a uncertainty in your learning. Still I have transmitted everything, or still I have taught everything. Now third is as a whole. Third person will see where is the problem, whether I have not taught well or you have not learned well. So that is average uncertainty of the channel as a whole. Uncertainty means information. So this is it for these entropies. This is important point because in the next video we are going to see about mutual information, where we will be requiring these concepts. Okay, so in mutual information video we will see all this. Also we have to solve one problem on the on calculation of these entropies, which is normally asked in the university exams, and I will take only one example, and that is sufficient for you to solve many examples. We are not going to go in solving more examples on that topic, because if one you understood, other will be only the calculations. It is not the case with the Huffman and Shannon Fano. There you have to solve many problems. Then only you will get the feel of that problems, entropy and sorry, Fano problems, and that Huffman problems. But here in entropy problem, the one problem is more than sufficient, so that you can solve any problem. So thank you very much. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up to this, and also do subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you.